bring some Caribbean flair to your pasta dishes with this delicious pepper steak pasta. So let's get started. I always like to start with chopping up my vegetables because to me this is the most tedious part. So first of all, I've got a brown onion. I take half of that and I'm just going to slice it. I also dice half of a Scotch bonnet pepper, and here I'm slicing up half of a bell pepper. I've got two colours because one thing about pepper steak and one thing it's known for is that it's very colourful. Now I've got some garlic. I'm just smashing my garlic and then I'm going to dice this up as well. Here I've also got some ginger, a tiny bit of ginger, and just like the garlic, I'm going to dice this up. And now it's time to start seasoning our steak. So I've got some salt, some black pepper, some all-purpose, some garlic granules, some pimento, and then I'm adding in the garlic and the ginger that I just diced up, and then I'm just going to mix it all together. So we're going to get some oil in a pot and we're going to start with cooking our steak strips. So here I'm just adding in my steak strips, and you want to cook it until it is fully cooked through, which should take anywhere from about 7 to 10 minutes on a medium to hot temperature. Then we're going to remove the steak strips and save them for later, and now I'm adding in my onions and I'm adding in the Scotch bonnet, and that is going to form the base of the rest of the dish. Once those have sauteed and cooked down a bit, I'm going to add in my bell peppers and throw everything together. I'm making some stock, so I'm mixing together a beef stock cube, some soy sauce, some honey, some corn flour, which makes it a bit thicker, and then I'm just going to add in some boiled water and mix it all together until it's all dissolved. Returning back to the pan, I'm re-adding those steak strips, a tiny bit of that stock that we just created, and a bit of browning for colour. I also drop in a Maggi cube for some seasoning, and you can also add all-purpose or salt to taste. Once that has all cooked together for a few more minutes, maybe up to 5 minutes at a medium temperature, then I'm going to start to add in my pasta that I've cooked off to the side, bit by bit, and mix it all together. Once you've got that, garnish it with some parsley and you are done. Now I'm a pasta lover and I'm a pepper steak lover, so this dish is actually perfect for me. Give it a try for dinner, you won't regret it. It's easy to make and super delicious. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.